Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to go back and revisit reports. So in my last tutorial I showed you that if you went up to the toolbar and clicked on reports, you had all kinds of reports you could choose from. You can also edit a template for a report, or you could create a new one. Now on that note, another way I can see reports is if I come over to the sidebar in Act and go down and choose the reports option. I have the reports laid out in a slightly different manner. So these are some of the reports that are available, actually all of them, 58 reports in total, and I can make a decision to make some of these favorite reports. So for example, let's say I wanted contact names and email addresses. I can click right there, and now they're available up top. From here, I can edit the report, I can edit the properties, I can delete it, or I can even run the report. So I'm going to click on Run Report. It's going to ask me, do I want to do it for the current contact or the current lookup? Let's do it for the current lookup. I'm going to click OK. And in this particular case, I have a fairly large lookup on the screen. There were more than 5,000 contacts on the screen. And you might notice down here, it's flying through the number of pages. So if I want to do a lookup of all my contacts and run a report on the email addresses and print it, I could do that. I can also, instead of printing it, and let me maximize this, instead of printing it, I can save it as a file. And I'm going to click right here. I'm going to choose the type of file I want to do, and here's the email list right here. That's the name of it by default. I could change this. A lot of times I like to put a date in there, but I can save it as a PDF, rich text file, HTML file, or even a text file. So I have options on how to work with this. So in this case, I'm going to work with it and save it as a text file. I'm going to put in today's date. I'm going to put in 6/8/20 right there. And I'm going to click Save. So now I'm going to save that as a text file. Now, what I want you to observe is that for the most part, it's keeping 4 pieces of information here. It's keeping the name of the company, the name of the contact, their email address, and their personal email address. So there's 4 things. Again, let me repeat that: company, contact, email, and personal. So I think the question becomes, wait a minute, what if I want to take this information and put it into an Excel file instead of a file that I can either print, save as a PDF, or save as some kind of file, like a text file? What if I just want to do this in Excel? How would I manage that? In the next tutorial, I'll show you in this particular example how I would probably use Excel to do this instead. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day.